Good morning time, good afternoon time, good evening time, whatever the case may be in your part of the world. You know who it is, Crisscross and Wise here, and I'm gonna holler at y'all because I know if I don't, sooner or later my word ain't gonna be worth a damn, because I've been telling you guys that I'm getting back on my hardcore DIY game, and I've been saying that as far as you know, working on a lightweight stealth bomber build and some other builds. But let me just show you guys what I've been doing the last day or two, man. I've been seriously trying to get the man cave resituated, and my little shop. As you know, I've been working on that because I seriously want to take my channel to the next level. I want to up my editing game. I want to make my videos a whole lot better. At the same time, I want you know, the scenery and everything to improve, and my shop and work conditions to improve as well. So I still got tons of work to do, you know. But it takes time, and as I said before, it takes money. So, you know, we moving at a snail's pace. But I'm sure a lot of you know what the man cave looked like. So it looks just a little bit different now. You know, I changed the coloring, and we got some new carpet down. Like I said, I want to get some lighting and nice little desk where I can do some unboxings, because I'm doing some electronic reviews as well. So you know, trying to change everything to this cream and brown look. So yeah, it's not like I've been bluffing the last couple days or not doing anything. Trying to get it together slowly but surely. Got some painting to do and some other things, but anyway, yeah, so we coming along slowly but surely. In the meantime, like I said, I've been working on the little outside shop, you know, and unfortunately, this is how my little shop is. I'm using a little tent set up outside. I gotta go back and close that door. But yeah, we coming along slowly but surely. Zipping that up so the bugs don't get in. That's the whole purpose, man. Even though my other tent had netting on the side, some kind of way I had still allowed mosquitoes and everything to get in, and they was tearing my ass up, boy. It was making it real uncomfortable. So I just gotta remember to try to keep things zipping up and keep the bugs and stuff out. But anyway, it is what it is. Eventually, at some point, I'll try to build a real shop. Like I said, I've been looking at them sheds, and if I don't go with one of those large sheds with the hard shingle roof, maybe we'll DIY one. So, you know, I'm not super awesome with my carpentry skills, but I feel like I can learn anything online as long as I got the right tools and equipment to do it. So anyway, as you can see, we got a little bit of shelving. We got a little bit of storage containers that you know, keep some junk in. Got my little computer desk set up out here. You got my little workbench for now. I was looking at a better workbench, but yeah, like I said, I'm making you know, doing the best I can with what I got. That's all I can do. But anyway, as you can see, we got a few things. Oh, by the way, got my battery in, so that's one good thing. But yeah, we got a few batteries. We got a few other things up here. I told you guys I got a lot of displays, man. I got several. Well, I got a couple UKC ones. I got a couple 750Cs. I even got a couple stock displays. I got a psychoanalyst. I got a few displays. I got some other stuff. Man, I got all kinds of mess, man. I got distribution blocks. I got volt meters, little small mini volt meters. I got brakes. I got horns. Got miscellaneous stuff. I got some tires that come in the bag back there. I got all kinds of brake pads. I got some scooter motors, man. I got some, if y'all can see that, there's some scooter motors up in there. I got some scooter tires. I got some the hard joints. I got a couple rims with motors in them. That's a Super 73 motor that was rebuilt right there. A 1000-watt Super 73 motor. Shinko tire. I even got some other motors over there. I got a 750-watt direct drive. I mean, gear driven hub motor. I got a direct drive hanging up over there. In the house, I've got I got another 273 and a QS205 in the box. So I got a few things, a few controllers down there. So we got a little bit of everything. Basically, what we need to do what we're doing, and what we don't have, we'll get on an as needed basis, you know. So I can't afford to do everything all at one time, but you know, step by step as I can, that's how I'm going to do it. I'm slowly trying to transfer. I got get the rest of this stuff out of wifey's laundry room in there. I got some cases of not some top quality batteries, just some average batteries, some Samsung batteries, some I got a few mile cells, but not enough to build a battery with. I bought what they had at the time, wasn't that many, but I'm going to try to get some more of those. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I got a couple of those frames, those bomber frames. I got like 3 of them. So yeah, now all I got to do, you know, first and foremost, I was trying to get organized. It's hard doing this stuff when you're not organized. So yeah, the better organized you are, where you know where stuff is, you can reach for it. You need a tool, you can reach for it. You need a part, you know where it is, the better things can flow. Each and every time I try to sit down here and do some work, you know, I get sidetracked. But like I said, lately my sidetracking has been working on, you know, my little shop area. As you can see, I got the whole floor covered up with this rubber mat now, so I'm good. Got it sealed up around the bottom, so can't no creepy crawlers get up in here. So yeah, we basically good. I got the tent guide down, as far as you know, what guide down me. I got some wires and ropes going in each direction to keep this thing from blowing away if a big windstorm come through here. So yeah, slowly but surely, we getting it together. But once again, as I said, man, I'm about to get on some serious DIY game. And I put a little post up. I don't know if I'm gonna get any response, but basically asking the question, what do you guys think about doing some live DIY projects? Now, I've tried to film some live rides before, and that didn't go too good because we didn't have the best cellular signal most of the times when I was trying to do that live. But here at the house, I got high-speed internet, so it should be no problem, you know, filming live. So I think that would be pretty cool to, you know, as I sit here and work on stuff, have a little live feed going, a little interactive chat. You know, maybe we can discuss any and everything e-bike related. So we still trying to work on building up our sub count, well, our membership. So, you know, I won't be having these chats and ain't nobody in the chat but me. That ain't too cool. So yeah, man, if you got some friends that's into e-bikes and they want, you know, learn some DIY tips and tricks, man, tell them come on through and you know, give me a sub and let's get this thing cracking. I want to build a very large DIY community, you know, to the point that if I'm not even around, my interactive chat is going down and people are discussing e-bikes. You know, maybe a Facebook group or a Telegram group. But yeah, I want to get this thing jumping. All right, y'all, take it easy, take care. This is where we at. I'm going to try to sit down here and put these plugs together, man, so I can get this bomber bike done. I'm sure my buddy would appreciate that, as he's been patiently waiting. But we just recently got all the proper stuff. But yeah, all I got to do is, you know, I'm getting ready to put some plugs together so he can just plug everything up. We got the right plugs and everything this time, so everything will just be plug and play with no delay. And you know, that's it. All right, y'all, it is what it is. It is hard just trying to talk off the top of your head. Like I told y'all before, ain't none of this scripted. I'm just going off the dome. So it is what it is. Take it easy, take care. Y'all know who it is. Crisscross and wires. Deuces, we out.